folks, and welcome back. Today we'll be cooking some sheep lungs and making a mutton curry. As you can see, the lungs are out. Just letting it chill for a while. That smell is so nice. Yes. Yeah. So I'm going to cook the sheep lungs inside. I'm just cooking the potatoes. That's for the bunny, yeah, bunny chow. Guys, look at this bread here, man. Yo, compared to the normal loaf, that loaf. My son can eat that loaf. That's for me, for Joash. As you can see, look at the goodness. Wow, I just put the tomatoes now.
Okay. Remember we have it with the dumplings.
Dumplings, and yeah, this is doing its thing, yeah. Look at
Yeah. We have the
eh? But how's the aromas, bro?
It smells very nice.
How does you first have to boil it for a while,
Yeah.
and then now it's just braising. We braise first, and then we just let it simmer for an hour or so. And look at this goodness. Guys, here I just garnished it here. Look at it. Look at this goodness, ne? Oh, looking nice. Rice, curry. See this goodness here. See here? This is called gravy soakers, Papa. See the potatoes?
So as and when you want it. Where did you go with the opener? You
Take that cloth.
left it into the house.
Yeah, I left the other cloth there, man.
No, it's the vlog.
Braising. You put the garnish there.
Did you put for the lungs?
Yeah, put the lungs is that. Yeah, this is goodness.
What is this, YouTube or what?
Yeah, it's a YouTube thing. See ya? You're drooling, ne? Lovely salads here. Very nice. Sia is waiting patiently to have his meal. It's like a salad. Guys, like a bunny chow.